My name is Eugene Petty. I live in Laurel, Maryland. I'll tell you something about myself or why did I attend the drone command live? Well, initially I attended because I wanted to learn how to get my 107 license. But since these past 2 days, as we approach the day number three, I'm learning is bigger than that. Not only will I be able to get my license, but you're teaching me how to start a drone business. Now that's something I've always wanted to have my own business. I started, wasn't successful, didn't know what I really wanted to do, but with this opportunity, I'm. Let me just back up and say, I'm a professional cameraman for a news agency in Washington D.C. Actually, I work for the city of Washington D.C. and the mayor of Washington D.C. I'm one of her cameramen, and for the city. So I've worked in this field for over 30 some years. And the component that I've been introduced to is drones, because one of my former coworkers is a drone pilot. I have access to editors, photographers, to do some of the things that I may not be able to do. I've learned so much from Diego and Damon and Gina on how successful a business can be if you apply yourself. In particular, a drone business, and it's an open. It's like I'm coming in on the ground floor with a new opportunity that didn't even exist. That's a big takeaway. Um, what was great about attending the virtual, I didn't have to travel. From the comfort of my office, I'm able to take this course along with over 100 other future owners of drones, of the drone business. What would you say to someone who is on the fence? Join the class, become a member of Sky Eye Network. What is one of the most valuable lessons you learn that you will be able to implement already? It's how fast it can be done with the help from Sky Eye Network and Diego and Damon, from what they're teaching me, is valuable information that I didn't even know. It says, if you had to describe Damon and Diego to someone who's never met them, how energetic, a lot of information, a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge, experience. Diego, brother, you are like no other. Damon, brother, you are like no other also. And you each have your own perspective area where you're expert in your field. And what I appreciate most of all, that you were able to share yours history, especially Jean, Mrs. Drone Boss, your story on how your life before this happened, before you became successful in this. That's important to me. And I have to admit, because of where we live and everything that's going on in this country, we have barriers have often been put in place. But I appreciate that Damon, Diego, Mrs. Drone Boss, and your network of friends and people, they prove the opposite. That if we all work together, we can all be successful. That's what I really appreciate. And most of all, I want to join the Sky Eye Network, and I have a plan. Thank you. God bless.